Hey everyone, so I have a new nail tutorial for you. I am using Pegasus Parade from Tonic Nail Polish and plate 134, put a swirl on it part 2. It's from Clear Jelly Stamper. I have a 10% off discount code. It's just my name, Yvonne, if you want to use it. And now all these plates, they come with like a reference paper. That is amazing because sometimes they can be confusing. But if you look at the outline, the last image, it's pretty easy to follow because it lines everything up. And personally, I like an image that's not perfect. Well, I mean, I do, but if it's off a little, it's cute to me. So I'm using Clear Jelly Stamper Protect Cuticle Protector. And I'm just applying that to my nails and I'm going to let it dry. And when you get a new plate, you want to make sure to always take off the blue film. Sometimes they're clear. I've had clear ones before. I don't remember what companies, but Clear Jelly Stampers are blue. And I'm using the Big Bling. And I'm using some of the pretty spring colors. And actually on the website, they have different packages you can get and you can choose your nail polishes. It is amazing. So I picked out these two. I will have them listed down below in the description box along with everything else that I used. So I'm just going to apply this, gently scrape, pick up, and apply. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to leave me a comment down below and I will try my hardest to help you out. So that's the first layer. And this is the second. You want to choose a different color. Again, you just lightly scrape. You roll quickly to pick up. I'm just getting off the extra piece that I picked up. And then you line it up and then you press down. And this is the sticky pad from Clear Jelly Stamper. It is so awesome. I don't know if you guys have had troubles with lint rollers like I have. I know in so many videos I go to pick it up to clean my stamper and I have like cotton balls stuck to it. I've had like plates stick to it. I mean, literally anything. It's so hilarious and it like rolls into the scene sometimes. But that sticky pad is so awesome. It just sits there. You roll your stamper over it and it cleans it off great. And then when it's filled up, you just peel it off and throw it away. So after I stamp, I remove the latex and I'm just going to do the rest of my nails. So I'm going to pop on some music and I will be back with my ring finger. So enjoy. So after taking off all the latex and I'm done with this stamping, I am just using some acetone in a little glass thing. They're used for acrylic nails. I cannot remember for the life of me what they're called, but I add acetone additives inside my acetone. It just is it helps out with your cuticles not to dry out so much. So now I'm going to go in with cjs-134 and the stamping polish, number 42. I'm going to use this bunny image, and I'm going to stamp it twice to make it very opaque. So I hope you guys are all staying safe and not going crazy inside. We're doing really good here, just doing our schoolwork, hanging out, going in our backyard a lot. We go for a few drives up in the mountains. We love going to the mountains and driving by the water. It just depends on what direction you go. So let me know what you guys are doing to stay inside and be healthy. So now I'm going in with the outline, also with clear jelly stamping polish, and you just line it up and you press down firmly so it sticks. Wiggle it a little if you think it's dry. And now I'm going in with the smear knot top coat, also by Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'm applying a top coat. So I hope you enjoy this. You have a great weekend. Oh, let me know what you guys are doing for Easter. I think we're just gonna dye Easter eggs here and like hide them in the back and just get them some little like candy bars or something. Nothing special. So yeah, let me know. Bye.